How to log out of your Discord account on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Discord, and once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, there's the logout sign. So go ahead and click on it, and it will give you this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure that you want to log out? So just click on the red button to log out, and that's it. As you can see, I just logged out of my account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can log out of Discord on mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.